Hey there, so it's Andrew from the Copy Shot here. I'm going to take you through how to make a happy birthday sequence on Klaviyo email. So first of all, we're going to plant the seed, and we're going to say it's almost your birthday. So we'll send this a week or two before the actual birthday with something like a 10% off discount. So you want to send them something quite generous. And you don't want to be too stingy because no one wants a 3% off voucher because that's just insulting. So yeah, try and be as generous as you can, and just they'll appreciate you making their day special. So I'm going to send them an email, say sign up for birthday emails, click on this link, they'll go to here, input their birthday. The birthday will go on their profile. Once we've got that information on their profile, we'll be able to trigger a birthday sequence around their birthday. So if you go to, we're going to set up the birthday date in the profile. So if we go to audience, profile, add custom property, we'll call it date birthday. It has to be in a particular format because Klaviyo is particularly pedantic about that, so it has to be in the right format, otherwise it won't be recognized and you won't be able to trigger it from the start of the flow. So you need to do the year, then the month, and then the date. I know that format works, so we'll add that profile property. Okay, that's down here as a property now. And if we go to the flows, we'll create a new flow. We're going to create it from scratch. Call it new birthday countdown. Create flow. Okay, so the trigger is, if you scroll down to date property, from the drop down, there is date birthday. So it's going to trigger 2 weeks before the birthday date. Okay, so that's the start of the trigger. And then we'll get the email. This is one to say it's almost your birthday. Okay, it's almost your birthday. We'll select this template. So it's almost your birthday. Here's an exclusive 10% discount. So that's how you send the birthday email. That's how you set up the trigger. And there's the overall outline for you. So yeah, happy birthday flows. You know, people appreciate you remembering them on their birthday. Try to make it about them. Don't just ask them to buy something. You know, try to make them feel a bit special for their birthday, and they will appreciate it and they'll remember you. And that's why there's always really good returns on the birthday flows. Thank you for watching this video and hope you have a good day.